world was that? What in the world was that? What in the world was that? What in the world was that? Okay, I see something up there. What the hell is that? Oh my God. Can you see it? That is something floating. Okay, that is scary, whatever the hell that is. Look at that, guys. What the fuck? Okay, I gotta drive over there. Something just landed right there. I'm gonna drive over here and we're gonna see what the hell that was. I'm just gonna park and walk over there. Oh, it is so dark out here, I can't see a damn thing, but it was somewhere over here. Okay, well, this is what it was. It's a lantern, guys. Look at this. So why are there freaking lanterns? This is like a military lantern. Look, let me get this in the light. I told y'all I was not crazy. That something landed over here. You see it's burnt. Ooh, it stinks too, whatever it is. Okay, so look, that's what it is, or what it was. So why are they launching lanterns in the sky? Oh look, there's another one, I think. You guys see that? Okay, maybe it'll land over here again. Maybe I can catch it. But, okay, isn't that weird that you have UFO activity, military helicopters, and then these lanterns right here? Now, what are the odds that it was up there, I'm over here looking at UFOs, and then a lantern lands on the ground right here? And no, I'm not taking this damn thing home either. Oh, I think that one just went out. Okay, now you have another helicopter over there investigating. But look, that shows you how dangerous these freaking things can be. Whatever it is, if it's military, I don't know. It just landed over here on the ground. Could have started a fire. Look at that, guys. Okay. I'm gonna probably throw this away. I'm not gonna leave it sitting here. I'm gonna take this. Look at that. I'm gonna take this over to the garbage, throw it away. Anyway, very weird night, guys. Started chasing UFOs and we found a lantern. And I think this was used for some type of signal, probably, for the military. Almost like a marker, like an air marker. Because that's typically what they use these for. Oh, look, there's another one. Here it comes, guys. You see it? There it is. It's coming down. That is another lantern. God, this camera sucks. Okay, that one, you'll see it hit the ground right there. Now that one's in the road. So we got lanterns coming down everywhere. Military lanterns, I believe. Okay, guys, I'm trying to go home, and it looks like there is something on fire behind the trees right there. Look at that, guys. Let me try to drive over here to get a better view. Probably one of those lanterns that hit the ground. But look, that's some kind of fire. Some kind of a fire. Do you see that? We have the weird light in the sky over here that is not the moon. It looks like something landed over there, but it's on fire. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what the hell is happening anymore.